Hello students, welcome to my channel. In my today's class, today I am going to explain you about operations on real numbers. Already we have discussed the rational numbers and irrational numbers. Rational numbers and irrational numbers together it forms the real number set. Okay. On the rational number set we have seen that rational number set satisfy the commutative property, associative property and distributive property for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The same thing now we will see on the irrational numbers. Whether when we add two irrational numbers that gives irrational number, when we subtract two irrational numbers whether it gives the irrational number, or when we multiply and divide two irrational numbers they give irrational or what. Now we will see. Sometimes they will give you some numbers. The mixture of rational and irrational they will give. On simplification we have to find out that whether the given number is rational or irrational. So these all things let us see in the exercise 1.5. Very important. How to make the, even in this we are learning that how to make irrational to rational, or sometimes we convert irrational to rational number. So we will see now one example I will take and I will explain you how to do the addition of two irrational numbers. Let us see just one example I will take. Example, add 2 root 2 and 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 and root 2 minus 3 root 3. Okay. Now see here, this is one irrational plus irrational and this is also irrational. Now we are adding this. First we will write all together. See here, 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 in bracket we write because we are adding them. So in place of and we will take plus, then root 2 minus 3 root 3. Okay. Now see here, the same, the property of a sign, you know, plus sign to minus, minus into plus, the same thing will be followed here also. Now 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 plus here plus, so plus root 2 plus into minus minus 3 root 3. Okay. Now see here, 2 root 2, here only root 2. We collect one side, the like terms. In the algebra how we are collecting the like terms, the same way. Here also root 2, here also root 2. We just write one side, that is we collect them. Okay. Then here root 3, here also root 3, along with that number also. So 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3. Okay. Just we collected. You just observe here, root 2 is common. Here you observe root 3 is common. So 2 into bracket, root 2 will take common plus here if you take root 2 common, here 1 is remaining. 1, here root 2 is common. Okay. Then here you see root 3 is common. So that means that 5 remains here only, minus 3 remains here only, root 3 is common. Okay. Following? Then now see, 2 plus 1 is 3 root 2 here plus 5 minus 3 is 2 root 3. So when we add two irrational numbers we get an irrational number. Like this we go on solving few problems, then you will become perfect. Next another example I will take, that is multiplication. So example 2, multiply. Now we will see whether multiplication holds good or not. multiply 6 root 5 by 6 root 5 by 2 root 5. Yes, 6 root 5 by 2 root 5. See here, very easy children, multiplication. 6 root 5, we are doing multiplication now. So multiply 2 root 5. Okay. Now root 5 is common. 6 into 2. So root 5 is common. Here multiplication is there. So 6 2s are 12. 12 root 2. So even multiplication also, when we multiply two irrational numbers, the product is also a irrational number. So this is what multiplication. The same way, even the division also. The third example, that is example 3, divide. Divide. See here, 8 root 15. 8 root 15 by 2 root 3 by 2 root 3. Okay. Now we will just divide and see. 8 root 15 divided by 2 root 3. Okay. 2 ones are 2 fours are. You can cancel here, but you cannot cancel here. Under the root you cannot cancel. So now what we have got here? 4 root 15 divided by root 3. Okay. This also we can cancel. Now see here, 4 root 15 can be written as root 5 into root 3 divided by root 3. Now root 3 got cancelled. Okay. Now we got it as 4 root 5. Even on the division also, when we divide two irrational numbers, we get an irrational number. This is what the operations on the irrational number. Now, in the exercise 1.5, let me solve some problems on the exercise, on the operations on the real numbers in the exercise 1.5. In the first main, see here, classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. See here, this is irrational number. This is what kind of number? Let us see. See here, 3 plus root 23. Now we remove this bracket. Plus into minus, minus root 23. Plus 23 minus 23 got cancelled. Here only 3 remained. 3 is rational or irrational? Rational number. So this is a rational number. A rational number. Now third one. Third one, what it is? See, 2 root 7 divided by 7 root 7. Whether it is rational or irrational, we'll see. Now see, root 7 got cancelled. So now what it remained here? 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is rational or irrational? It is rational number. Because it is in the form of P by Q. So it is rational number. It is a rational number. Then fourth one, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is irrational number. It is irrational number. Then 2 pi is also irrational number. 2 pi, because pi is irrational. So 2 into pi is irrational number. Irrational number. So like this you can classify rational and irrational among the given numbers. Now simplify. See here, there are 5 mains. In that, in the second main 2, then in fifth main 2, 3 I solve. Remaining you can solve them. Second main. Simplify. simplify. First one, 3 plus root 3, 2 plus root 2. We have to simplify. See, simplify means what? Multiplication now. Binomial you have done now. In the same way also you can do it. See, this into this, that means 3 plus root 3, 3 plus root 3. 2 times you can write. Now second bracket, here 2, here plus root 2. 2 3s are 6 plus 2 3s are 6 root 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2 into root 3 root 6. Now see here 6 plus 6 root 3 plus root 6 plus 3 root 2. This is the answer. This is what the simplification of the given irrational numbers. Then in the same way, second one, 3 plus root 3, 3 minus root 3. See, just observe how it is. It is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. Isn't it now? The identity a plus b, a minus b is equal to what? A square minus b square. Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to root 3. Therefore, 3 plus root 3, 3 minus root 3 is equal to a square. A means 3 minus b square means root 3 whole square. 3 square means 9. Root 3 into root 3 is root 9, that is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. Answer is 6. This way you can solve the remaining examples also. Then fifth main I will go. In the fifth main, 2 examples I will solve. Remaining all you can solve. See here, in the fifth main, rationalize the denominators. Rationalize the denominators. Here see, first one is 1 by root 7. 1 by root 7 is there. Here denominator is what? Irrational. That we have to make it rational. How to do? See here, 1 by root 2, we have to multiply root 7, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by root 7 by root 7. See, 1 into root 7 is root 7 divided by root 7 into root 7 is root 49. Root 49 means what? Root 7 divided by 7. Now we rationalized the denominator. In the denominator, irrational number was there. That we rationalized it. Now this is rational number. So like this we have to do the rationalization. The second one. See, 1 by root 7 minus root 6. We have to rationalize the denominator. How to do? See here, if it is minus here, we have to multiply by root 7 plus root 6. Both numerator and denominator. Root 7 plus root 6. Now see, 1 into this much, 1 into root 7 plus root 6 is root 7 plus root 6 divided by this is a minus b, a plus b. That can be written as a root 7 whole square minus root 6 whole square. That is a root 7 plus a root 6. Root 7 square means root 49. Root 49 means what? 7 minus 6. This is a root 7 plus root 6 divided by 1. We have rationalized the denominator. Applying the identity a plus b, a minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Root 7 whole square means root 7 into root 7. Root 7 into root 7 means root 49. Root 49 means 7. Root 36 means 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. In this way we can solve the remaining all the examples. So thank you children. Thank you for watching and share and subscribe my channel.